Welcome my beautiful viewers and subscribers. This is your girl Sonia from Sonia Creative Kitchen. And today we are going to make some soup. So follow me, Pandawania. Over here guys, I have some peas and some beef bone I go and boil. And over here I have some chicken back, chicken neck and some chicken foot. Most of my vegetable already prepped, as you can see. And I have my scallion and thyme and garlic, nice piece of yellow yam, one cocoa, Irish, and I don't know my favorite spice, so don't go anywhere. So guys, now I'm going to add in chicken back, chicken foot and chicken neck. Big nice pot of soup. So now guys, I'm gonna add in some garlic. Some thyme and scallion. I'm building flavor guys. Put some all-purpose Maggi. I don't know, about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna allow this to come to a boil, cook for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna add in my vegetable. So guys, here I have some cornmeal and dumpling. We're gonna make some spinners. Go in on my soup. You know the thing go already. Mixing everything well. So guys, now as you can see, my flour is nicely done. So I'm gonna set it aside and leave it for later. Check in my viewers and subscribers. Everything coming on nicely. The beef bone So now I'm going to add my vegetables. This is some carrot and pumpkin. I have some chocho here as well. Chocho. So now guys, I'm gonna cut up my Irish. Look how beautiful this look. All these colors. Get rid of. Smell amazing. To get a couple minutes to boil, and then I'm gonna add in my ground provision and my cornmeal dumpling. So guys, I'm here peeling my yellow yam for my soup pot. Guys, now I'm gonna add my cocoa and my yellow yam to my soup. Smells so good, guys. May I cook this in my own. Now I'm going to cover and then get started on my dumplings. So now, guys, I'm gonna add in my corn. Right in a good pot of soup, yeah. See how this pot of soup big, guys? It's for friends and family. All of my neighbor them. Look at this. Beautiful. So now I am going to season up my pot. I have some good scallion. Some thyme. Good old Scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, now I'm gonna add in my cock soup. Good old Grace. Guys, I don't like noodle in my soup. Now, have a few get away in there. Gonna stir this well. Look at this, guys. Can't wait to get into this one. So now, I am going to cover my soup pot. Take another look. Allow it to finish cook. The next time you see me, I will be eating my soup. Or sipping my soup. Anyone we call it. Check in, guys. Look how beautiful and lovely this look. So now my soup is ready. I'm gonna turn my stove off and make me a plate. Look at this, guys. Put some chicken foot in this. And my favorite meat, chicken back. One of my beef bone, right there, so. So guys, I'm gonna try this beautiful soup here. The coolie, you know, anti-bone.
Into the mouth. Nice.
I told you, this one, it. Now I'm going for my caramel dumpling. This tastes so good. So Mr. Gilbert, aka Sugar. You say you're king for chicken back, me I queen. So make we see which one I go win now. Big up yourself to all my viewers and subscriber. Big up on yourself. So guys, we have made it to the end of our video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend fi tell a friend. Remember say, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.